Hi everyone, take two. Apparently I wasn't filming the first one. So what am I up to today? So today I lounged around in bed in the morning, changed the sheets, and then I took a 10 a.m. 90-minute gym class. It's a specialty workout today. Usually they don't do 90 minutes, but I am a glutton for punishment, so I did a 90-minute class. And I am so sore between my workout on Friday and today's. I'm just dying here. Well, after we did that workout, I came home, took a shower, went with my family to Longhorn Steakhouse and had a beautiful steak and potato and salad. I wolfed that down because I was hungry after that workout. So what did I wear to Longhorn? All right. It is like close to 90 degrees out today. So I wore, oops, excuse this bra. I am wearing this LNA tank top that I got from a Stitch Fix. Popped on my Prosperity jean jacket because it's always chilly in Longhorn, and paired it with my Dear John shorts that are linen with a black stripe going down them, a pinstripe, and my Dolce Vita flip-flops. It is a hot one out there today, but I enjoy the heat. Before I sign off for today, I want to discuss irons with you. My iron and steamer have both had it. Apparently gunk got built up in there, and when I use both of them, stuff spits out onto my clean clothes. So obviously it's time for me to get a new one. Please let me know what kind of iron or steamer that you have and you would recommend, and please let me know what you can do to prevent that gunk from coming out. I kind of Googled it, and apparently this happens to all irons and or steamers, and I was given very complicated instructions on how to clean it with vinegar and baking soda and using toothpicks and toothbrushes, and honestly, it sounds a lot easier just to get a new iron because there's no guarantee all that stuff will make it clean anyway. All right, well, that is it. Take care, and put in the comments below what you know about irons and what you guys do. Until next time. Hi everybody, it is Monday midday, so thus you're getting some good lighting with me here. So what am I wearing for today? Today I am wearing a Lucy Parrish short sleeve top that has these pretty little delicate lavenderish type of flowers on it. I have paired over it my mauve colored Liverpool jacket because I'm always cold. And with it, I'm wearing my straight leg jeans from Evereve. Very comfortable jeans. They have a faux button fly here, and I think they're still on the Evereve site. Again, they're Evereve jeans. And I am wearing my Mark Fisher braided slide-on sandals, and this is my outfit for today from working from home. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday here and my daughter is still sleeping 7:45, and I'm gonna have to jump on the computer in just a few moments. So what am I wearing today? Well, I got in my new Evereve earrings that I kept from my recent Trendsend box. And I have on this little top. It's a wrap style that is sewn here on the side. So it's not a true wrap, but like a partial wrap. With a tie here that is actually reversible that I got from White House Black Market at probably springtime / beginning of summer. And I paired it with a pair of White House Black Market pants. These pants are not from the same line. I purchased these from a person on Poshmark for under $30 including shipping, because that's usually my breaking point of what I'm willing to spend on Poshmark. White House Black Market, it goes very well with this. There's a slight difference, but because the colors are not exactly on top of each other, I don't think you can notice them. I love these pants. So I had another pair of brown pants that I wore last week that I actually put in my donate pile because they were just too tight. They were skinny style and they were constricting around my calves. And every time I bent my knee, it felt constricted. Whereas these have lots and lots of looseness around my calf. I much appreciate to have some looseness around my calf than have things skin tight on them. So these are a keeper, and again, these were Poshmark. So if you are ever watching me and you see me purchase these expensive items at Trendsend, etc., I am getting a front door fashion probably next week. I want you to know you can also get items similar on, thrift stores, Poshmark. So don't get offended get angry if you see items that cost too much for your budget. There are other places you can get these items. Again, I paired it with a pair of black strappy sandals that I purchased as part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They're my shoots, very comfortable, like them a lot. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day styling. Hi everyone, 11:15 or so, and I had a small break in work, so I figured I'd do my outfit of the day. Today is my husband's birthday, so happy birthday to him. What am I wearing today? So I am wearing this knit dress by Sanctuary that I purchased directly from Freestyle on Stitch Fix, probably last summer or the summer before. It is not bra friendly. Even with my halter type bra, it's not bra friendly. But as I always say, I'm always cold. So I am wearing this jacket that I got from Macy's years ago. Probably, gosh, 2018, 2019. It's a knit style blazer. It's, I believe, a Tommy Hilfiger. If you like this, check out Macy's. I've seen it floating around in a navy, and I've also seen it at Marshall's and TJ Maxx, etc. in red. It's got this military style, has pockets, and it's just a knit, so it's very soft and comfortable. And with it, I paired my Shoots black strappy sandals that I recently got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And this is what I'm wearing today because we're heading out to dinner tonight. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is 4 in the afternoon. This is the first time I got a chance to film, and I'm a hot mess express complete with pepper juice stains on my jeans. Hopefully you guys don't see it. So what am I wearing today? This is a floral blouse from Loft, probably circa 2018. It's one of the flower blouses that I decided to keep because I like this pattern. I know florals aren't so much in it, particularly these a little bit larger florals, but I like this blouse, so I kept it. It has the split neck, and it has a little ruffle here on the sleeve. I paired it with my yellow jeans, and like I said, hopefully you don't see the pepper juice on here, and my black shoes. And I know most people would not pair black with these things and go neutral, but I'm a big sandwich dresser. I like to match my shoes with my top. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing for today. And I have to be honest with you, when I used to go into the office, like circa 2018, 2019, on a casual Friday, this is what I used to wear. And yeah, so dug deep in my closet for this one. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Friday. What am I wearing for today? I am wearing this bright pink top I got from White House Black Market beginning of summer. Broke my duplicates rule because I actually have the same thing in mint green that I got last summer. With it, I've paired my white Democracy jeans, which I got from Amazon, I believe, last year. They're a straight leg style. And paired with it, I have on my Dolce Vita strappy neutral sandals, which I believe I got directly from Dolce Vita. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday morning and I have my outfit of the day from Saturday. This is my first time I've had a chance to film. I was not able to film this weekend because I had company over, and then on Sunday I was busy packing up my daughter for college because we move her back in 2 weeks. All right, so what am I wearing? I probably remember this outfit, White House Black Market, probably back around May time I got this, May, June. Both the pants and the top, I'm wearing it together as a set, but these are absolutely splittable and can be worn as two separate pieces. The shoes are my strappy sandals that I ordered directly from Dolce Vita, and this is my outfit of the day and what I wore with my friend when we went shopping. All right, give me a minute and I will try on what I wore to dinner. This is what I wore on Saturday night for dinner. We went to just a local Italian restaurant. This is a White House Black Market strappy dress. The straps are removable, so you can wear it strapless. I chose to wear it with the straps today. I put the denim jacket on mainly because I don't have a little black cardigan and I always get cold, so I needed something. And with it, I have on my Shoots strappy sandals that I recently got in the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And this is what I wore to dinner. So thank you for joining me this week. I appreciate your support. Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and until next week, I will see you in styling. Bye-bye.